Changing the background color in Squarespace is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, I want you to choose the website that you want to change the background color for. And once that's done, this is the dashboard you should be looking at. You're gonna go to the left side of your side panel, and then you're gonna click on website. You're gonna click on pages, and now you're gonna find the page that you want to change the background color for. Now once you find that page, you're gonna go to edit. Under edit, you're gonna over a section on the page, and you're gonna click on edit section. Now in the edit section, there are three edits. There's design, there's background, there's colors. You're gonna click on colors. Now this is where you're gonna change the background. Once you choose a different color, the background is gonna change, and that would change the color of the page. Now, if you'd like to change the whole background of the whole website and not just a particular page, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to the pages, and from here you're gonna go back to website. On the website, you're gonna click on styles. Now on the styles, you're gonna come to the far right of the page, and you're gonna scroll till you see colors. You click on colors, and it's gonna show you color palettes, or you can choose to customize. But once you choose the color, it's gonna change for the whole website. And that's how to change background color on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.